So influence and interference testing is basically identifying and quantifying the level of influence various current sources have on your pipeline's cathodic protection. And this can come from impressed current from your line on rectifiers or foreign operators, or it could come from outside of the oil and gas world overall. And it's really important for maintaining survey accuracy because any outside influence on your pipeline will affect the results that you get. And if it affects the results you get, then it could affect your overall regulatory compliance or the safety of your pipeline. I'm going to be talking about what interference and influence is in a broader sense, and then how it applies to cathodic protection in oil and gas. I'm also going to be going over the testing process that you'll follow if you want to measure for interference and influence, and then I'm actually going to be going through a real-world example of what it means in the oil and gas world if you have that sort of issue and what you can do to mitigate that sort of concern. So American Innovations offers a lot of testing tools that you can use and equipment to test for interference and influence. We have our Allegro QX Field Data PC to actually gather your data in the field. And we also have our interrupters. We have the Micromax current interrupter line for portable interruption and our Bullhorn remote monitors for remote interruption and monitoring of your test pipeline. So American Innovations offers a whole suite of tools that you can use from data collection to analysis. What you're able to do is use our Micromax current interrupters along with our remote monitor Bullhorn units to interrupt as you're surveying on your line. Once you have your line that's being interrupted, you can then use your survey data and measure with your Allegro QX Field Data PC. Once you do that, you can then upload it to PCS, which is our compliance database solution. So you can use that to measure and track your compliance with all regulations and track the overall pipeline safety.